Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Say morning, fam.
Good morning.
Tell us a morning, Faves.
Good morning.
You guys, we are out and about running errands this morning. We have so much to do today, so we'll get an early start, and it's a little bit chilly. Oh, my nose. Oh. And I didn't comb my hair, so I have to throw on my wig this morning. You guys, we are officially back. Tyler is doing a lot better than yesterday and the day before. He doesn't have the hives on him, and he doesn't have the hives on him, but he have some small bumps. So that's basically how he is this morning. We showered him with soap and we give him his medicine, so he's still taking treatment, and he'll be doing treatment for a few days. It's the weekend, so hopefully you guys are having an amazing weekend and have an amazing day. Whatever it is that you guys are doing, stay positive, stay blessed, stay motivated in whatever you do. Stay humble. With all that said, I didn't get any workout in because I woke up this morning and we are having an early start today. So let's get this day going. I was just saying to babe that the struggle of living in a country that is not, what's the word I'm looking for?
I don't know.
That is not, I wouldn't say black culture, but it's not Afro. It's not an Afro cultured country. We've been driving and searching for a tail comb for the past how many minutes, and every shop that I go to don't have it, or they don't sell those kind of things. It's just unbelievable. One comb I'm searching for. If I was in Jamaica, any shop I go in, I would just pick up the comb and go on about my business. I'm looking for one comb, one dead comb, and I cannot find the comb nowhere at all. That's just unbelievable. Cultural differences. Most hair stores that you go in is brush, only brush, because all these people do with their hair is brushing. I want comb, damn it. Afro comb. I want tail comb to part my hair neatly, and I can't find a tail comb. I was saying to babe that I'm going to have to order all my life online. It's just freaking unbelievable. But I'm just gonna have to order everything I have to do with my hair online, everything. And if I knew, I didn't think about it, also just order the comb online, and I was ordering my hair products.
Baby.
You guys, Tyler is sleeping. Look at him, he's knocked out and he haven't even had lunches yet. So we are heading home right now. Did a bunch of stuff on the road and heading home to have lunch. And I think, see, this girl is a prostitute. See, we just passed her. Babe says she's my friend because I know her. Like I always say to babe that she's going to sell my JJ. Babe said no, she's not selling it, she's leasing it. So I said no, she's selling it. Babe said no, she's leasing it because the guys don't go home with it. They borrow it for a few seconds or a few minutes and give it back to her. So I'm going home. I'm going to try to attempt to do my hair today. See that baby's home and he can look after Tyler and I don't have to be bothered. So I think I'm going to do that. But first I need to go home and get something to eat because I'm hungry. Baby, you're not hungry?
Yes, I started.
I'm hungry, and Tyler should be super hungry. Look at him with his hand in the chips. His hand is in the chips and he's knocked out. Sweet boy. been up to all afternoon, and I finally got my hair done. I decided to do it, and I did it and get it over with. But I have it up. Let me let it down so you guys can see this Rasta Jamaica girl. I love it. So this is my new hair. This is crochet braids, if you guys wondering. And if you guys want to see how I do it, you can go over to my hair channel, and this will be there. Right now I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm everything in one. I'm waiting on babe to make me some food, because this mama ain't gonna cook nothing after how many hours of doing my hair. Yeah, so that's what's been going on around here.
Hi guys, it's the night. Look how pretty she is.
You guys, this Rasta girl is tired right now.
I found in love with a Rasta
Your
girl.
fantasy finally came through, honey. Your fantasy finally came through. Listen, babe, love that song, and just that one line. He's in love with a Rasta girl.
I found in love with a Rasta girl. A fire was burning and burning until I dropped what I was holding on.
You guys, your fantasy finally come true. You should be happy. Today's vlog is not much. It's just basically me rambling on about my hair and hair stuff and whatnot, running errands on the road. But it's better to give you guys something than give you guys nothing at all. As you guys can see, I am tired. Look at my eyes. I'm really tired. So we're just gonna give you these expressions for today. So the Jamaican expression for today is, if you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him short.
If you can't catch Quack, will you get in a shot?
No.
No.
If you can't catch Kwaku,
If you can't catch Kawaku,
you catch him short.
you catch him short.
Yes.
You know, every time you say Jamaican expression, I'm thinking about your grandma, and I'm thinking her in the outdoor, in the garden, talking to the neighbor. If you can't catch caution, you catch him short.
This idiot.
I always have these
Anyway,
things in my head.
Do you have an idea what does that mean?
If you can't, no, not at all. This one.
It is simple mean, if I can't catch you, then I'll catch Tyler. Let me explain. If somebody,
That is our explanation.
if somebody do you wrong and the person is avoiding you, completely avoiding you, and you're not seeing them, but you're seeing their kids, if you can't catch to beat them up, you beat up their kids instead. Do you understand?
I do understand.
Yeah. So that's what it means. If you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him short. So if I can't catch you, I'm going to
So
catch
now
Tyler.
I just have the thing in my head. Oh
Leave my
Lord,
grandma
I
alone.
need to change that. Every day for the Jamaican expression, that's what's coming. Sorry.
Anyway, what is the French expression?
The French expression is avoir les yeux plus gros que le ventre. It's a 5-star expression. Say it. Avoir les yeux
Avoir les yeux
plus gros que le ventre.
plus
Gros
gros
que le ventre.
que le ventre.
Then there's a 3-star R expression.
Shut up.
Avoir les yeux plus gros que le ventre mean to have the eyes, les yeux, bigger than the stomach. To have the eyes bigger than the stomach in French mean like, for example, you have a lot of food, you have a buffet, and the person gonna enjoy what he's seeing, so he's gonna put a lot of food in his plate because he love what he see. But once it's time to eat, he
Can't
can't eat it all. So we say you add the eyes bigger than your stomach.
That makes sense.
That makes sense.
In Jamaica, we say you're greedy, you're craving. Wanga belly.
Wanga belly.
Yes.
Avoir les yeux plus gros que le ventre. That's the French expression.
Got it.
And when the food looks so yummy, always the case.
Alright, you guys. So there you have the French expression and Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Alright, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you are new and you stylize off the bed. You guys didn't really see much today. If you guys even see any at all. But tomorrow we'll be back to regular something. You understand?
Yes.
Alright, you guys. Catch up and keep up and we'll see you guys
tomorrow. For sure.